Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a diamond painting to show you. It's one of those. It's one of those. We'll talk about it, okay? You know those paintings. You see them, you like them, and you're like, okay, no, I'm just not in the market to purchase right now. And I put it off, and I put it off, and I put it off. And then I keep looking at it, and I keep looking at it, and I'm like, okay, right? That's this one. Yeah, that is this one. Just had to do it, right? Had to do it. So let's show you what we have. It took me several days after it was released to go back and actually purchase it. Yeah. So will it be a remorse buy? Will I regret it? I don't know. We'll see. So anyhow, Dreamer Designs. They're killing it. I mean, they're killing it. They're coming out with images that I'm having a hard time saying no to. That's what's happening. So this is how it comes packaged in this bag. This has Dreamer's Designs on it. It's a cloth type bag here. And then it's wrapped nice and neat, tied up with a purple ribbon. So tie a purple ribbon, you know, that kind of thing. Okay, they got the soft back canvas. And they've got scalloped edges to keep it from fraying, and it's poured glue. So we're going to roll it backwards and get everything out of the inside, and then I'll show you what we got, what we're working with here. Okay, any guesses so far which one I may have, resisted for a while and then, threw in the towel? I threw in the towel. That's what I did. All right, let's show you. Okay, trying to always figure out the best way to put that painting down somewhere. So we have 2 bags of drills. That means it's square. Dreamer Designs always does their squares in 2 bags and their rounds in 1 bag. Here's their toolkit. Here is their information pamphlet. Has tips, tricks, how to diamond paint, talks about their social medias. They have codes, but you can only use any code that you find like one time. So if you've not used my code, it's Mindy15, save you 15% off. Then you got to hunt around for some other codes. Okay, let's show you the toolkit real quick. I know I'm just making you wait, because anticipation, I had to wait, and then, anyhow, something's in there. Hang on, a squishy's in there. Okay, the soft bag, super soft bag, right? What do you get? Baggies. You get 2 pots of wax. My waxes are coming apart. My little pots here coming undone. Okay, 2 of them. Say Dreamer Designs on them. Okay, 2 purple comfort grips, 2 pens, 1 with the brass tip, 1 with the plastic tip. Here's our multi-placer situations here. Got some multi-placers for our pen. We got tweezers that are branded. They say Dreamer Designs, pointy tweezers. All right. Then we got our tray that can be divided. Everything's branded, Dreamer Designs. Little gate opens to let your drills out. And here's your little divider piece. You can divide this any way you would like. Okay. This does have a film on it. Take the film off it. Okay. It works a little better that way. Okay. We're down to go time here. You're going to see what it is. Okay. Here's our sticker sheet. Are you ready? Pumpkin Patch Farm. Debbie Wetzel through Art Licensing. Okay. I mean, you see why, right? I mean, this is like so many things I love. It's fall. There's pumpkins. There's chickens. There's a red truck. The barn. This is my life out here. Everywhere I go out here, you'll see barns. Some of them actually have the quilt painting on them. There's several around here that have that. So I hesitated and I waited and I tried to talk myself out of it. It didn't work. 80 by 60 is the size. You can put your start and end date here. You get extra fun stickers. And of course, all of your symbol stickers are peelable and they will peel off of your containers pretty well. They don't stick. Somebody asked me that recently. If they stuck or if they were temporary, they came off pretty well. And I'm like, no, they're coming off pretty nice. There's 61 colors. And how many ABs? 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs out of the 61 colors. Lots of browns and oranges and reds. It's going to be pretty though. I like the rooster on post there. He's my favorite. Got some hay in the barn, sheep, and all the pumpkin patch out there. I love it. That's why it's called Pumpkin Patch Farm, right? Okay, ready to see it? Are you ready? Well, you can't see it yet. Hang on. Let's show you this. Oh, look, I have a sheep. I have a sheep or two. Here's the legend. Okay. Looks nice. Here's all their social medias. Follow them on Instagram and Facebook. I always forget that people have Pinterest. I don't follow anybody on Pinterest. Interesting, though. So, want to see the drill field? Let's look at the brown area. What do you think? This symbol right here in the camera looks a little, but I believe it's a 6. Yep, that's a 6. That's the only one that looks a little dark, but you put a light pad under it, it would be just fine. Okay, ready? Here we go. It says pumpkin patch. Look how well you can read that. I love it. Okay. What do we have here? Fuzzies. There it is. There she be. It's pretty, isn't it? Isn't it pretty? I mean, come on. Got all these quilts. Okay, so they must sell quilts. They got quilts hanging on a line back here. They got quilts everywhere. So I'm going to assume that they sell pumpkins and they will sell quilts. Here's our red truck full of pumpkins, right? Got a little chicken sitting over there. Chickens everywhere. And our rooster. Love it. And then, of course, all the beautiful fall leaves in the background. So we get a couple weeks around here, and it looked really nice like that. All the woods as you drove around were very beautiful. All the colors, the oranges, the reds, the yellows, beautiful. And then it took like 2 days of really cold weather, and it was like, they were gone. The leaves just were like gone. Even at my house, my few trees that I have here were looking really pretty, and most of them, well, several of them. That was a bird, by the way, that little tonk. Have you heard it? It just ran into my front window. Yeah, okay. You can't come through there, buddy. No, can't come through there. So I had to do it. I had to do it, right? I wish I could say I could diamond paint all of these. I can't. I can't get them all done. But I don't know. Buying and collecting the paintings seems to be just as much fun, right? Okay, let's look at the drills. I've said it before, Dreamers Designs drills are in order according to the canvas here, and they're in order according to DMC number, which is quite handy as you're kitting up. I like that aspect a lot. I like it a lot. I don't know which bag has our ABs, but we'll find that out soon enough, right? Okay, let's look at some pretty colors. I'll zoom you in a bit. All right. Look at the rust color. All that barn and stuff. It's going to be all of this cranberry rusty color. Love it. Blues for all the sky. Are those all the same? Yep. All of that is the same. 3 bags. All right. How about some salmony colors? Well, they're more orangey, I guess. Those are anyhow. Creams. Love this color. That's one of my favorite colors. That mint. Beautiful. All right. What else do we have? Hang on. We're backwards. We're backwards. We have some pinks. And here's black. Oh, there's quite a bit of black. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of black. I would not have thought there's that much black in this. But, well, okay. All of these lines in the barn are going to be black. And there's clumps of black back there. And this is all black. Okay. I guess so. Some grays, and some more rust. What do we have here? Oh, here's our ABs. I'll just leave those out. Hang on. Okay, let's move you aside. Sorry, I'll make you wait on the ABs. All right. My grandma was a quilter. My mom attempted to do some quilting. She wasn't that successful, but greens, brown, gray. Here's our peachy colors. That's an AB. Okay. Okay. We'll save him out for a second. All right, what else do we have? They're all backwards and upside down and wonky donkey here. Lots of greens. Darker greens. More blues. Browns. Lighter browns. To tans. All those rusty colors. And a few more like light rust. Look at all of these. Oh my goodness. Some green. And look at all these. Okay, let's see. Oh, those are two different colors. Okay. So there's one bag of 13, 2 of the 12, 2 of the 11. Okay. Another brown, some more grays. All right. So those are our drills. Oh, did you see me fling that over there? Except for the ABs. Okay. Let's look at the ABs. What do we have? So I already showed you this one, which is white. Okay. We have a white AB. Then we have an orange AB, which is really pretty. There's about that much of it in there. We have a red AB, and we have blue twice. Wow. Okay, there's a lot of the blue. Love that. Okay. All right. Let's go hunting. Let's see what we can find. Let's look for the little amounts first, which is the orange. And it's just like 2 lines going like this. 2 lines. And I see some right there, right off the bat. And I see some in this quilt over here in the orange squares. And I see, did I say that one already? Yeah, I think that's one I did say. Now, do we have anything up here? Like, there's not a ton. Oh, there is some in the trees. Okay, there's some here. I should zoom you back out, right? Let's do that first of all. So there is little bits in the trees back here. All the trees get a little bit. Okay, that's nice. So just a little in each of these trees, and then some in these few quilts. Okay, perfect. Love it. Then we have the red, which is a bracket. First place I'm going to check is my truck, of course. Oh, yep. Okay, on the wheel well here. We have some right here on the wheel well. Okay, so there's a few in this quilt, just a few. Let's see. I don't see any more in the quilt. No. Okay, let's go back to the trees. This red tree right here has quite a few. This one does. This one. These do not. This one has some, and there's a few over there. Okay. Oh. Oh. And our chicken's combs, of course. They're red AB. Just a couple. All right. Okay. Next, we have this blue. Where is this blue going to go? It's going to go all over the place, isn't it? Now, I'm looking at the quilts first. I'm not seeing any down here. Any in this quilt? No. 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 No, no. Okay. Well, you know where it's going to go then, right? You know where it's going to go. All through here. So it goes like this. Do, 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 do. All of this. Okay, that's all the blue AB. Here, here, this, here. Around the darker part. The darker part is not the AB, but the blue AB kind of just outlines it all around the darker. And it goes this way, and then across the tree line. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay, love it. And then the white is the O. Now the white, I mean, it's in this quilt. You see where the white is, right? Not this one. The chicken, of course. The chickens. Let's see. See the sun coming in? Yeah, sun's going to come to play here. This quilt, our sheep. Of course, our sheep get some. I think that's it. Nope. the sky, the inner cloud through here and here, a little bit there, and then here. These two clouds, the centers of the clouds, get some white AB. I love it. I mean, I like it. I mean, now you can see my shadow. Woo! I'm glad I got it. Okay, I'm glad I got it. I'll be happier if someone puts diamonds on it someday. Anyhow, you know, sometimes I'm weak. I'm just weak, and I just can't help myself. It took me a couple days, but I gave in. I gave in to the temptation. I got to be strong. I'm trying not to buy anything in November. Trying not to. I mean, Black Friday is coming. You know? Okay. I have to go. What do you think about it? What do you think about this one? I think it's gorgeous. It looks pretty in the sunlight, doesn't it? Now, maybe, you know, if I had sun, like complete sun for an unboxing, it would be kind of cool, but I don't know. It looks good. Okay, I'm done rambling. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that like button, subscribe. Come back, see more videos. I love you. The support. I love you. I don't know you. I don't love you. I love the support that you give me. Okay, I just better stop talking. All right, have a great day, everybody, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.